Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 portable welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Hertzkvogen MIG-ARC TIG welding machine. Specifications: brand name, Hertzkvogen. Weight, 12.5 kg. Wire feeding speed, 2-14 meters per minute. Model number, MIG-250. Dimensions, 530 x 290 480 millimeters. Usage, MIG-ARC TIG welding 3-in-1. Plug type, U plug. Welding wire diameter, 0.8/1.0 millimeters. Applicable thickness, over 0.8 millimeters. Inverter technology, IGBT. Item number 2 is the KOA MIG-120 Portable Welder welding machine. Specifications: brand name, KOA. Weight, 7.46 kilograms. Model number, MIG-120. Dimensions, 370 x 155 x 290. Input voltage, AC 220 Van Plussen, 15% 50/60ths of a Hertz. Rated input power, 3.5 kVA. Rated input current, 16A. Output current, 2120A. No load voltage, 56 volts. Protection grade, IP21. Duty cycle, 40% 48A, 70% 84A. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Angeli Portable Household 220 volts MIG. Specifications: brand name, Angeli. Certification, CE. Origin, CN origin. Is smart device? No. Usage, welding. Model number, MIG-250Mini. Dimensions, 200 x 160 x 240. Arc current, 120A. Voltage, 220 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.